Good morning, students. Today I will start a new topic, and that is your pronoun. Okay, first we will revise what is a noun. Okay, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, for example, Rahul is a good boy. Rahul studies in class second. Rahul loves to eat ice cream. Okay, see, Rahul is a good boy. So boy is a noun and Rahul is a noun. Rahul studies in class second. Again, Rahul is a noun. Rahul loves to eat ice cream. Ice cream is a noun and Rahul is a noun. So students, you can see that again and again we are repeatedly using Rahul, Rahul, Rahul. So in place of Rahul, if we can use something else, okay, we can use he. Rahul is a good boy. He studies in class second. Again, he loves to eat ice cream. So, the word which is used in place of a noun, that is known as your pronoun. We are dealing with a new topic, and that is your pronoun. A word used in place of a noun. A word used in place of a noun, that is known as pronoun. Example, it can be he, she, it, they, we, etc. Okay. So, a pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. In order to avoid repetition of noun, we use pronoun. And pronoun can be used for both singular and for both plural. You can say a plural noun like plural noun. Pronouns can be singular or plural. For example, if I am talking, Sheila is a good girl. So Sheila is a good girl. Where Sheila and girl, they both are noun, and where a means single person. So it will be she is a good girl. So single pronoun replaces single noun. Now, second, children are playing in the park. Children is a plural noun. So, instead of that, we will use pronoun they are playing in the park. I hope it's clear to you all that that singular pronoun replaces singular noun personal pronoun. They can be used in place of name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Personal pronouns. They can be used in place of in the name of the person, place, animal or thing. See how. They have three forms. They have three forms. Right. First person, second person, third person. Okay, I will show you how. Singular, and this is your plural. See students, first person. First person is, for example, I am the first person, or the person who is speaking or saying or for whom the conversation is going on. First person. Second, to whom I am talking. Like I am talking to you. So you are the second person. Third person. Third person, somebody else, not I, not you, the third person for whom I am talking. Now, for the first person in that comes I and me. I and me. For singular, if a single person is there. And if for plural means many people are there, it comes to we, us. We matlab many are there, us many are there. For second person in both singular and plural we have you. No changes for plural. For singular also is you and for plural also is you. Third person it may be not I, not you, the third anyone else. He, she, it, him, her. And for plural, they, them. So students, once again I want to make it very much clear. Personal pronoun, they can be used in place of the name of a person, place, animal or thing. They have three forms. First person, second person and the third person. First person is I, me in case of singular, plural we and us. Second person, you in both the cases, in singular also and in plural also. Third person, he, she, it, him, her. And for plural, they, them, because many are there, so they and them. First person is I who is speaking. Second person, to whom I am speaking. And third person, somebody else, not me, not he, some third person for whom I am speaking. Now students, we will do the exercise from the book. Okay. I want to explain you one thing more students. Okay. Now if we are talking about male, so we will write he, his, him. If we are talking about female, we will write she, her, and if we are talking about things, it will be it. Like it is a pet dog. It is my pen. For things we used to write it. For female we use she, her. For male we use he, his, him. Okay students, now open page number 39. In your book also it has been explained very clearly, singular and plural. For single, I, he, she, you, it. For plural, we, they, you, these, those. Okay students, turn the page. Now come to page number 40. You can see some more pronouns. Singular, me, you, him, her. And for plural, us, you, them. Okay, I will read some sentences for you. This is a beautiful dog. Doll, I love it. So you can see for doll it is a thing and we are using it. My sister loves me. I love her too. Sister is a female and we will use her for it. I will go with you. Okay, now exercise A. Complete the sentences using correct pronouns. Raj is a good boy. Dash always eats healthy food. Raj is the name of a boy, so we will use he always eats healthy food. Kanu is an intelligent girl. Dash stood first in the class. Now Kanu is the name of a girl, so we will use she. This dress is beautiful. Dash is pink in color. This dress is a thing, so we will use it is pink in color. My cousin and I are relaxing. Dash are watching TV. My cousin, one person, and I are relaxing. So two persons are there. When more than one person is there, we will use plural pronouns. So we are watching TV. The birds are chirping. Dash are making their nest on the trees. Birds, it may be many birds. So they are making their nest on trees. Mrs. Goel lives in New Delhi, but Dash is from Mumbai. Mrs. Goel, she is a female, so we will write she is from Mumbai. Okay, come to page number 41. B exercise. Fill in words from the bracket. Dash am waiting for the train. Now, here the options are we, you, I. So, dash am. With am we use I am waiting for the train. Dash is very happy today. Dash has won a prize. You can write he is very happy today. He has won a prize. Three options are given over here and you have to choose from them that which suits to your sentence. There is a park near our home. Dash has many swings. We are talking about the park. So, it has many swings. Then evening, we, because it is our means many people are there. So, we go there in the evening. 4. Ajay went to a shop. Dash bought a pencil. He bought a pencil, a sharpener and a notebook for his younger brother. So students, this is a very simple and a small exercise and you can do it yourself. So it is your homework. I had made you do the 4 sentences in it. Now students, come to page number 40. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Mohan has returned from school. Dash has quickly completed dash homework. He has quickly completed his homework. Dash did not take much time to complete it. He did not take much time to complete it. Turn the page, students. Okay. Second, Shalini and Shweta are sisters. Dash are very intelligent. So there are 2 persons. So you will write they are very intelligent. My mother is a housewife. Dash loves me a lot. My mother, she is female. So we will write she loves me a lot. Don't drink this juice. Dash is not fresh. Don't drink this juice. Juice is a thing. So it is not fresh. Dash do not like burger. You can write you also. You do not like burger or he do not like burger. Children dash should not make noise. Children, you should not make noise. Students, Now, the second exercise is your B. Circle the correct pronoun that can replace the underlined nouns. Okay, students, you can see some nouns are underlined over here. Now, you have to use pronouns in place of that nouns. Some options are given at the side. My sister is not well. My mother is cooking porridge for her. My mother is taking rest. Do not disturb her. The teacher asked the students to draw a picture of a hill. The teacher asked them, open the color box. I want to see what is inside it. Color box is a thing, so it. Can you help my father and me? Can you help us? Because I and my father, two persons are there. Pranav and Devika always come late to the class. Today Pranav and Devika have come early. Pranav and Devika always come late to the class, and there are two people. Today they have come early. Rajat got a new bicycle. Rajat is riding it. Rajat got a new bicycle. He is riding it. So students, you can see that for singular noun we are replacing it by the singular pronoun, and for plural nouns we are replacing it with plural noun. Students, there are two more exercises and that is your homework. Both exercises are very easy. I hope you have understood the chapter pronouns. Again, I will revise it for once. A pronoun is the word that is used in place of a noun. Thank you, class.